Sanibonani, lapha ngiphethe ama-supplement awu-3 kodwa ngizokhuluma ngeyodwa, right? Awaka-Nutrilite lama supplement. Ila sithi khona prevention is better than cure. Supplementation is not a choice, it's a necessity. So u-Nutrilite vitamin B plus sengakhuluma ngaye, then u-Nutrilite Calmeg D plus sengakhuluma ngaye. Namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngale product. Sengakhuluma ngalaba uzongilandela ku TikTok Khethiwe Menziwa Njinji. Ngicela uhlala kule product ke manje i-Nutrilite coenzyme Q10 eyenhliziyo bese ilekela namanye ama-parts omzimba, right? Natural ke imizimba yethu iyayiproducer i-coenzyme Q10. Kodwa as we age, as sikhula, as kugula, as sisebenzisa ama-medication inhlobonhlobo, igcina i-coenzyme Q10 emzimbeni yethu iya ngokuya i-decrease, i-decline, bese kudaleka ukugula okuningi emzimbeni. So ke u-Nutrilite coenzyme Q10 ungowenhliziyo, uyalekelela kakhulu enhliziyweni, alekelele futhi in all the cells in the body. Alekelele futhi ukuthi inhliziyo ishaye ka 100,000 times a day. Alekelele kuma-kidneys, uyi-antioxidant, uyasiza kakhulu ukuthi repair to those cells esuke sezinenkinga, asize futhi ukuthi ku-migraine headache nako-Parkinson diseases namanye ama-diseases. Ngiyabonga.